changing the color of a layer or a shapefile. Now we have this state map of Nigeria or the shapefile in a blue color, so I want to change this color. To do that, you will come under the layer tab and then you double click on this. So it's going to take you to the symbology tab, and on the symbology you come under fill colors and then you click on this. Once you click on the drop down, it allows you to either choose either of these colors, or you want to choose or you want to pick a color. If you want to pick a color, you will see that as you go, it's going to, anything you go on is going to have a peak. So if you apply this, you see that the color has changed to this. If you want to change the one down to, you click on it and you have a change of it as well. Or if you want to also pick a color, you will see the picker, or choose a color, you will see that all of those items are at a match there. You just pick the one you are interested in, and when you click on OK, you see that the color of your shapefile has been changed, both the outline and the main color. So this is how you can change color of a layer of a shapefile in QGIS.